If you had just $1,000 today, where would you invest it? In stocks, in crypto, or in real estate? One could slowly make you rich, one could explode overnight, and one could completely destroy your savings if you make the wrong move. Today, we're breaking down the real truth about investing in 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know which investment fits you best. Let's start with stocks. When you buy stocks, you're buying a small piece of a company. Companies like Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. Historically, stocks have created more millionaires than almost any other investment. Why? Because over time, the market usually grows. People who invested consistently and stayed patient often watched their money multiply over the years. But there's one big problem. Stocks are emotional. One bad headline, and the market crashes. People panic. They sell too early, and that's how many beginners lose money. Stocks are best for people who want long-term wealth, can stay patient, and don't panic during market drops. Slow growth, but powerful growth. Now let's talk about crypto. Crypto is completely different. One day you're making huge profits. The next day your portfolio is down 50%. People became millionaires from Bitcoin and Ethereum, but many others lost everything chasing hype and meme coins. Crypto moves fast because it's driven by fear, hype, influencers, and social media. That's why some people love it, but crypto is also one of the riskiest investments in the world. Scams, hacks, fake projects, and market crashes happen all the time. Crypto is best for people who can handle risk, want aggressive growth, and never invest money they can't afford to lose. High reward, but very high risk. And then there's real estate. For decades, real estate has been one of the safest ways to build wealth in the US and UK. Why? Because people always need places to live. You can make money from rising property prices, rental income, and long-term demand. Sounds perfect, right? Not exactly. Real estate is expensive. You need a large down payment, good credit, maintenance money, and patience. And if the housing market crashes, property values can drop hard. Real estate is best for people who want stable long-term wealth and prefer physical assets over risky investments, less exciting, but usually more stable. So, which investment is actually the best? Here's the truth. There is no perfect answer. Stocks are great for long-term growth. Crypto offers huge potential but massive risk. And real estate builds slow, stable wealth. The smartest investors usually diversify. They don't put all their money into one investment. Because real investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about surviving long enough to become rich. So if you had $10,000 right now, where would you invest it? Stocks, crypto, or real estate? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more finance and investing videos.